Hi, are you ready for love? Are you open for love? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful EFT emotional freedom technique to really help you open up to love. I'm Nicole Elissa. I am an intuitive love coach for decisive women from all over the world who are ready to attract their most ideal partner and love life. I am dedicated to helping women own their feminine essence, their feminine power of attraction, and call in their man. The way that I do this is by bridging the spiritual side of the feminine plus the emotional and the physical, making it all come together so that you feel really whole and grounded in your feminine essence, receiving all the love that you truly deserve. So with that being said, I wanted to share with you today a powerful EFT practice to help you align your energy, your meridians with love, and just getting in the right mind frame. So how about we start? If you're not familiar with EFT, what I recommend is to research a little bit about it, but just for the sake of this video, you don't have to do that now. I'm gonna share with you a little bit about what it is. It's like acupuncture, but without the needles. We have meridians in different parts of our body where we hold on to stress, emotions. Sometimes I'm getting negativity, that's what I'm hearing. So when you start to stir up and release that energy, just free it up from your body, from your energy field in general, you notice that you start to feel better. You are more in alignment. I remember the first time that I used EFT, I was really scared of driving. And what I did was that I started to do this sequence until it left, and I kid you not, like I was so tense before, but as soon as I did the practice, I started to feel much better, and all of the fears that I had around driving like almost disappeared like the next day. So this is the sort of results that I hope that you have with this, that you keep on using this practice to get pumped and to feel good about yourself. So I invite you to do this video as many times as possible, to share it with your girlfriends and the women in your life. It's time for more and more women to boldly claim being open for love, okay? So the way that we're gonna do this is this. There are certain meridian points. I'm gonna point them out here for you. You have this one, okay, karate chop. Then you have here top of your eyebrow, here at the end of your eyebrow, underneath your eyebrow, underneath your nose, here, your chin, 2 fingers below your collarbone to the side. You're gonna tap on here, and then where your bra strap line is at, and then on the top of your head, okay? So just follow along the statements that I'm gonna make and repeat this exercise as much as possible until you start feeling lighter or better. It would be great if you do it as a love marathon for you tomorrow and for the rest of the month. Just keep on doing it and keeping your energy in alignment, okay? So just follow along what I'm saying. Even though I've been hurt in the past, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have felt pain in my past relationships, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have feared whether I can attract a man that is compatible with me, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have worried whether a man is gonna think I'm too much or not enough for him, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have felt it to be difficult to attract a man that is gonna understand me and my pursuits, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I have felt so much sadness and anguish around love. I have worried whether I can find somebody that is right for me. It upsets me to think of the missed opportunities and the time that I have lost. I want to feel better. I want love. But it's been so hard for me to find it. Sometimes I feel so overwhelmed. Will I find somebody that really gets me? I feel so confused. I've asked myself for years, what have I done wrong? But in reality, I am enough. I am lovable. I am beautiful. I am worthy. I am deserving. And I trust that I am attracting love now. I am not abandoning myself. I choose to be there for me. I choose to be there for love. I choose to be there for opportunities. There are people, there are men out there that are compatible with me. Men that have the emotional capacity to be with me. I choose to have faith. I choose to belong. I choose to be welcomed. To be well received. And to be truly appreciated for who I am. I allow my feminine essence to be seen. I open up to love. Because I am lovable to my core. And so is my man or my partner. I am in alignment with love. I am open to love. Love is safe. Love is the safest energy there is. I am open to love. I deserve to be treated like a queen. Not from ego, but because my soul is pure. I'm worthy of the greatest love. And I allow myself to receive it now. I welcome in love. I receive it with so much grace. I am loved. I feel it now. I feel so happy and grateful to receive love now. I feel so happy and grateful to allow love in now. I feel so joyful. I feel so complete. I feel full of love and life. I'm connected with myself. And I allow love in now. I receive it now with so much happiness and grace. I feel grateful. Thank you. I radiate love. I attract love. And love attracts me. I am receiving. I am receiving love. And I am being noticed for the beauty of my soul. Everywhere I go, people notice my beauty, my true beauty. And I truly let it be seen. I attract positivity. And I welcome in love. I'm willing to follow all of the guidance and to support myself in attracting the best, amazing partner for me out of love for myself. I am worthy. I am so worthy of all this guidance. I trust myself. The right guidance comes to me. I'm so grateful to myself and to the universe and life for helping me align with love. I receive love now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Perfect. Now let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Just feel that love in your heart. Allow yourself to truly be connected with it. You're lovable, you're a queen, you're a goddess, and you deserve to be treated like the goddess that you are. You deserve to be cherished. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I recommend that you share it with all your girlfriends, and the more you do it, the more confident you're gonna feel. So let me know if you have any other requests or topics that you'd like for me to do EFT videos on. And if you'd like to know more about me and the different modalities and how I can help you bridge, the spiritual plus the physical and bringing it in all together in your feminine energy and helping you attract your soulmate, go on the link below and you're going to find out more about me. And there's also an opportunity for us to connect and talk. So I hope you have a beautiful weekend. I hope that you get to truly feel that energy of love, because it's all around us. And the more you remain connected to it, the better it's going to be. All right. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed weekend.